Hello everyone, my name is Akshar Bonum, and today I will be explaining to you compass groups. So when you come to gym this February, each of you are going to be put into these things called SAP workshops, Sustainable Action Plans. And just as their name indicates, you will be creating a sustainable action plan. Now when you do this, it's going to employ this concept called systems thinking, where when you try to create your sustainable action plan, you look at it from one perspective. And these perspectives are represented by compass points. Now if we look at a pyramid, in a pyramid there are 4 sides. Now each of these sides represents its own compass point. So the north side is nature. And basically nature is everything on the surface above or below land that is non-man-made. So for example, if you were doing something about global infectious diseases, for example, what you would be talking about in nature would be, how does it affect the natural world? How do these diseases affect trees, affect animals, and all these different concepts? Then E, which is economy. And basically economy focuses on jobs, money, and basically how everything will work in a working economy. So in terms of global infectious diseases, you could be talking about things such as how global infectious diseases affects how much money you make, how people will be taking sick leaves away from work. Now, the next compass point is this idea of society. And basically, society is everything about social structures, institutions, social systems. It's basically about how everything, these ideas in society will function in terms of this global issue. So you could be talking about schools, you could be talking about governments, you could be talking about policies, and all of this would be encompassed under the idea of society. Then the final compass point is the compass point of well-being. And well-being is arguably the most individual one, because what you do in well-being is you focus on how it affects individuals. It's not talking about society, it's not talking about schools, it's not talking about money, it's not talking about nature, but really it's just about people specifically, how it affects someone on their own personal level. And these are the 4 compass groups, and you should decide which one you like best and choose that one so you can have a great conference.